In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create network diagram in Draw.io. By the end, you'll have a clear network diagram in Draw.io with a router, a switch, and a server connected with lines labeled correctly and saved. First, open Draw.io. On your screen, launch your browser, go to the Draw.io website, and wait for the editor to load so you can work on the canvas. Next, click More Shapes. Look to the left sidebar where the shape libraries are listed and select the More Shapes option to open the shape library window. Now, enable network. So in the library list that appears, find network and turn it on so the network diagram shapes are available in your sidebar. Click Apply. This closes the window and adds the network shape set to the left panel ready for use. From here, drag network icons, specifically a router, a switch, and a server onto the canvas. In the network category, click and drag a router icon onto the center of your page. Then drag a switch icon and place it a short distance to the right or below the router. Finally, drag a server icon and position it near the switch. Leave a bit of space between each shape so the connections will be easy to see. If you want to adjust spacing, just click and drag to reposition any icon until the layout looks clean. Now, connect with lines. Hover over the router shape until you see small connection arrows or points appear around its edges. Click and drag from one of these points to the switch. Release when the cursor snaps to the switch so the line attaches properly. Then connect the switch to the server the same way. Drag from a connection point on the switch to the server and let it snap in place. And if a line doesn't attach, undo and try again, making sure you see the snap highlight before you release. You can drag the midpoints of a line to adjust its path if the line overlaps other shapes. Next, add labels. Double-click the router icon and type a clear name such as router. Press enter to finish. Do the same for the switch and the server, typing switch and server so each device is clearly identified. If you need to label a connection, click the line once to select it, then start typing the label such as VLAN trunk or Ethernet and press enter. Keep labels short and consistent so the diagram remains readable. Finally, save diagram, go to the top menu, click File, then click Save. If you're prompted for a file name and location, enter a clear name like network diagram and confirm the save. Well, wait a moment for the save indicator to complete so you know your work is stored safely. At this point, you've opened Draw.io, enabled the network shapes, placed a router, a switch, and a server on the canvas, connected them with lines, added clear labels, and saved your network diagram. Your setup is complete and ready to share or update later. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.